Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be making a delicious homemade chicken biryani with boiled eggs. This recipe is packed with amazing flavors and is perfect for any special occasion or just when you're craving something extraordinary. So, let's get started. First, let's go through the ingredients you'll need for this fantastic chicken biryani. 2 cups Basmati rice. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 4 hard-boiled eggs. 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 2 teaspoons biryani masala. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves, chopped. 4 cups water. 3 tablespoons cooking oil or ghee. Salt to taste. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Start by washing the basmati rice under running water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes and then drain it. 2. In a large, deep pan, heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or ghee over medium heat. 3. Add the thinly sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove half of them and set them aside for garnishing. 4. Now, add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a couple of minutes until the raw aroma disappears. 5. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they turn white and start to brown. 6. Toss in the chopped tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and biryani masala. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and the oil separates. 7. Add yogurt, fresh mint, and coriander leaves. Cook for a few more minutes. 8. In a separate pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil and add the soaked and drained rice. Cook the rice until it's about 70% cooked, then drain it. 9. Now, let's assemble the biryani. In a large, heavy-bottomed pan, layer the partially cooked rice at the bottom. 10. Place the chicken mixture on top of the rice and spread it evenly. 11. Add the hard-boiled eggs and sprinkle with the sautéed onions we kept aside earlier. 12. Finally, cover the biryani with the remaining rice. 13. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid or seal with aluminum foil to trap the steam. 14. Reduce the heat to low and let the biryani cook for about 20-25 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the flavors have melded together. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, a mouth-watering homemade chicken biryani with boiled eggs. Here are some of the benefits of including chicken and boiled eggs in your diet. Benefits of chicken. High-quality protein. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Low in saturated fat. Skinless chicken breasts are low in saturated fat and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Rich in vitamins. Chicken is a good source of several vitamins, including B vitamins, B3, B6, and B12, which are important for metabolism and overall health. Benefits of boiled eggs. High-quality protein. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids necessary for good health. Rich in nutrients. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin A, B vitamins, B2, B6, B12, vitamin D, and minerals like iron and zinc. Choline. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, which is important for brain health, nerve function, and liver function. This dish is perfect for special occasions or any time you want to treat yourself to some amazing flavors. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. COOKENBIRIYANI lovers.